Hello, welcome back to the channel. Got a couple little things to work on tonight. One real quick, easy, kind of cheap fun we got going on. But what I'm working on tonight is I've been having an issue with the ball getting stuck back. Yes, I don't know if you can see, back underneath here, underside this, on the other side of that ramp, kind of back in here in between these two. Been getting the ball stick there on the machine. So Measle Mods had it on there. There is a ball stick fix mod that is out from PU Parts. So an anti-stuck plastic that's there. So you can see there's a part number, PU-LZ-anti-stuck. So little information on that there, but just a piece of just a plastic part that goes in here to keep balls from being, throw it down here, sorry about that, but to keep the balls from being stuck back here underneath the Zeppelin. So if you look at the two screws that are right there, these two underneath, that is where this is supposed to screw in at and go back in here to block that off, and come underneath this ramp over here to block that off as well. So of course, looking at it, obviously there's no way to get that in with the Zeppelin and everything in place. So I'm going to take some of that off, take the Zeppelin off and probably the other plastic off, and see if I can get in there to that to get that mounted. I also got some get the lead out flipper bat toppers. So kind of little, not really stickers, but a little thicker on a little vinyl piece that was there for the 3 flipper kit. Wasn't too bad. Both these came from Measle Mods. So you'll have one for all 3 of the flippers that are there, as compared to what they're just being white right now. So just add a little something there. Like I said, a little cheap fun that's there. But seen those and was having to make an order for that anti-stuck plastic anyway. So figured if I got to pay shipping, I might as well grab something else as well. And that was there and cheap, and I like the way they looked, so I'm going to grab those. So I'm going to start working on this and see what we can get. Be back here in just a few. Alright, so now I've never taken this off before, but so I guess we'll learn together on how this comes apart. We'll start with these. And I'll put them on a little magnet here. Get the hole there. Oh, that's all there is. In case you've ever wondered. That's all that is there, just an empty plastic shell. I wasn't sure. Thought it might come in 2 different pieces. Yep, they just snap together on the inside there. But yeah, well, that's all there is to that. Set that aside. Alright. The next piece here, probably going to take this off as well. Let's see how that works. Onto that post there. Put that there. And I'm going to be able to find this hole to this post probably. Sweet, didn't spin, thank goodness. I sure was afraid that was going to spin out as well. And there is a washer for that as well. Alright, so we got that out of the way. We got these two, so let me just do a little test fit here and see how to get this thing in here. that is. Oh yeah, you're gonna kind of get that thing wedged in there. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that, but then does this go back over top here now? All right, yeah, it'll fit in there like that. So, all right. Of course, now I've got to get it back out. I don't like the way it slides. Got to peel it. I was afraid it's going to probably mar that a little bit, but I don't know how else to get that in there. Take them screws out and see what happens here. It did come with a couple extra screws, so let me see if they're a little bit longer than the screws that they've got here, or if they're just extra screws. Yeah, those are pretty short. Alright. It looks like the two screws that came with the kit. I don't know if I can get them out of the bag here. Are a tad bit longer, so. Alright. Let me set these where I know where the ones these are. Alright. Get this peeled off here. Well, I'm working on that. We, of course, did just see, I guess it was what, Friday? That Stern put out the teaser for the Uncanny X-Men, so that looks pretty interesting. Coming out, and excited to see what Jack Danger is going to do on that one. With his unique design that he came out with on Flea Fighters. I'm excited to see what kind of layout he comes out with this for X-Men. Of course, looking at the teaser trailer there, of course, it has the Sentinel that pops up out of the play field. And if you look at it, of course, Gary Hardy was saying, which I didn't catch that whenever I saw it, but he was saying that it appeared like it would have targets at the top of his head to hit, which is, I didn't catch that in the thing, but that was a good catch by Gary. Sorry, I'm blocking you there. Yeah, I had that. Looks like it might eat the ball as well. So, got a pretty neat mix. So the next question is going to be, what all is going to be stripped off the Pro as they're making the LEs first, it said. Let's get this in here. I will say this, that it's a tight fit. I think I'm a little off. Let me come around there and check it out. Ah, that might help, huh? Oh, look at there. Glad I did walk around here. I didn't realize I was catching on that here. Okay, sweet. All right. All right, both going right in. Cool, cool. All right. That's cool. That's in there. Keep it from getting blocked over that way. Wipe wipe that off right quick while I got it out. The hole there. But yeah, saw that coming out. Then we saw the JTP, of course, coming out the Avatar as well. So pretty interesting to see how these are gonna. Oh, of course, every time. Hang on a second. Let me find that. Get my magnet out here. Be right back. Cool. Found them. Found that in the washer, so that's good. I was not sure. It was kind of back in there, but I was able to find them pretty quick, actually. Cool. All right, and then back on with Zeppelin here. Just make them snug. All right, those two are on. Of course, still got the two leftover screws. They were replaced. Put that anti-ball stick plastic in. Put those back in the bag. Put them in the coin box. All right, let's get these others out and check them out now. All right, let's get these popped out here. Get them checked out. Let's see, we got that one, 2 and 3. All right, so we got two that are the same. One's a little bit different. So, what y'all thinking? Do this and that, I do believe. Yeah, I think we'll rock it with it like that. Give me just a second. All right, got a little alcohol here. Can wipe down. I have to wipe these off too while we're at it, right? Yeah, a little cruddy. Sure, coming off those rubbers, that had been wiped down a little bit. It was time. Let's get this other one wiped off up here at the top. Oh, did talk to Pinball Life about the art blades. They are going to take those back and just do store credit, so I have to get those shit back over to them. And then I can be able to swap them out for something else. They're at the store, so I know I can always find something there that can be used. And of course, these are just simple peel and stick. Probably the hardest thing is getting the peel. No, not too bad. Sweet. And making sure they're lined up. Get over here and line them up. All right. One down. Get it peeled off. All right. Get those stuck down. Heck yeah, there's that one. All right, bring you up here to the third flipper. Yeah, as I was talking about a second ago with those arc blades. Looking around, I really don't see many that I really like. Gotta be quiet so I can concentrate for a second here. All right, get those toppers pushed on there. Sweet. All right. Well, all right, there's a look at them now. So nothing crazy, a little cheap fun. Said that was there, add a little bit to it. One of those flipper toppers. Of course, they're not just being stickers, I like that too. They're kind of made of acrylic. Stick on there good. And then you can kind of see, if I can get back here, watch out there. Kind of see there, and I stuck plastic back in underneath there. And going in beside there and coming down. So it comes all the way down to right there. So hopefully that's going to take care of my problems and my issues with that. Got a few things to wipe off here. I'll put the glass back on. But there it is. Another little quick upgrade. And the biggest thing is stopping those stuck balls, because I hated that. You'd be in the middle of a multi-ball, then you're all of a sudden you think your multi-ball's over, or should be over, and it's still going. And then you look back there and you've got a ball stuck right back in there. And the bad thing about it is it happened so fast I have no idea how it was getting back there. So I don't know where it was jumping off at or jumping into, or how it was getting back there. So hopefully that'll keep that from going back there, and luckily it didn't break any plastics when it did go back there, so that's all good. So I'll get that taken care of. And some cheap little flipper bat toppers. Yeah, just a little bit in. Good look at that. So she's had a lot done to it. I still really love liking the way the Big Ben in Parliament is bringing it into the back there. Really fills that corner in. So let me know what you think. Are there any type of art blades out there I need to go with or go look for that maybe I haven't seen? It might look good in here. Should I just go mirror blades, or should I just leave it alone and say, hey, that's good enough? I know that's going to be hard for me to do. I know how I am. And the only question is, if they're going to lay down good and flat over top of this, they're going to have to be good and thick to lay down over top of that expression lighting kit. It just was a little too much money, and I wasn't going to spend that much for it. But hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Coming back every time I'll have the videos. You have your regulars that come back in every time. Hey, I really appreciate you guys stopping in and to watch the videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and there'll be some more stuff coming later. As always, thanks for watching, and keep on flipping.